because it's on the charger, and sometimes it can be a douchebag and start lagging really bad. But anyways, this is gonna be intense. We got Chance versus Quadra. This is gonna be intense. We got Prototype, Lightning, Pandora, Wheel, and Wedge. Which this is what I'm gonna call it, Wedge. It's gonna take on Ominous Crysxs. It's gonna be intense. Epic dream battle. Quadra versus Chance. Imagine this battle. Oh, alright. Well, we're gonna see how it goes. Alright, boom. Quadra versus Chance. It's gonna be intense. And also, Chance is back on YouTube. He kind of took a little bit of a break, which I'll probably leave his channel in the description. But big hit. Yo, Pandora. Getting on with the stamina, and Pandora takes it. Alright, that's one. Go. Hit him up with Lightning Crash. And boom. Big hit. Yo, the attacks. The attacks on it. Oh, big hit. Yo, big hit from Crysxs. Oh, big hit, and it goes down. Alright. That's two. Oh. And boom. Big hit. Big hit. Pandora. Pandora with the stamina. Pandora. Pandora. And oh! Crysxs took it by a slight rotation. Alright, 3-1. Chance ain't out of this just yet. Ominous Impaler. Oh, big hit. Yo, the attacks. Yo, Chance ain't playing. Chance ain't playing. Oh, big hit. Wall and Lightning. Alright, that's 4-1. If Lightning takes it again, then I'm gonna call it. Boom. Ominous Artillery. Alright. Oh my god, that jump. That jump from Pandora was sick, but Pandora does take it. Damn, Quadra taking the win over Chance.